And here we go, our first crew of the day coming in on approach, and we got a couple bow riders as they make their way toward the dock. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Boynton Beach. So our crew's working their way in. Our young lady in the bow kind of getting ready, and here we go, standing up now. She goes for the leap off, but she's got to push the boat back, and no, the boat is going to hit the dock. And now she's going to have to try and walk this one around. So hubby leaves the helm and jumps off the stern with a line, and now they'll get it pulled over. So our crew here, the boat's drifting off the dock, and the dog's still on the dock, not wanting to come as the boat drifts away. What are they going to do here? So he's got the motor fired up. And basically, she's going to use the dog's leash as a line to try and pull the boat back closer to the dock because it's too far away for the dog, I think, to jump onto the boat. So the dog's holding on there, and there you go. She's lightly pulling, and they're going to use the dog as a cleat and the leash as a line. Unbelievable. So next crew rolling toward the dock. Cap's got a good line pace. We got fenders out. We've got our girl on the bow, ready to roll. And up. Is she going to go for it? No, the guys reach out, grab a hand. There we go. Now she's going to go ahead and get onto the dock. And our next crew rolling in right after them. So making approach. Appears to have a decent line. Again, a lot of people on the bow of the boats today. A lot more than normal. I don't feel like we see this all the time. And he winds up stepping it off and going to walk it on. And our guy on the gunnels, they're trying to get it over. And there we go. Cap gives it a little bit of reverse and they're good to roll.
Where are you going, man? I'm not sure what to do.
Yeah, to hit the rocks.
There's a guy here, Dave. Someone's here.
There's rocks there.
No, but this boat is not very...
I get you.
What do we do? Where are you going? You're the one who told me
So this is the vessel you just heard that audio from. They were getting pretty close to the camera, which is way off away from the dock, but they were struggling to get over there, and let's see how they do as they try and actually approach the dock now. So coming in with the heavy bow first approach. Cap starts to swing it around. And nobody's really gotten off yet. We saw our guy go running to the bow, and that's the key here. He needs to get somebody onto the dock. And man, they wind up hitting the dock. The boat starts sliding forward. And they do eventually get it on, but it takes them a few minutes. But they were close over here. Oh, looks like he hit the throttle right at the end, and now the stern's kicking out on him. But they were getting really close to the rocks over here. Fortunately, it is a jet boat, and he goes for the line toss and misses on the first one. So there's no lower unit necessarily, or they might have hit with the prop. But there we go. He's got his buddy on the dock now, and the line over there will bring it across. And here comes our next crew. This is actually a pretty big boat down here at Boynton. We don't typically see a lot of bigger boats here. So our crew's rolling in. They're going ahead back into reverse. One of the reasons we actually don't see a ton of bigger boats here at Boynton is actually the approach. So there's an approach channel that gets us back over to here, and it is not very deep. It is marked, but at like some of the lowest of low points of tides, I've watched people walk across that channel. It's only a few feet. So our crew's going ahead, turning it toward the dock and trying to make their approach. So definitely a slow roll move here, and they're coming in at kind of a funky angle. So taking slow and easy, golden rule, baby. Never approach any faster than you're willing to hit something. They're taking that one to heart. But again, the angle just looks a little off. They're coming in like kind of sideways almost. Cap's gonna have to try and turn this one last second to bring it in on the dock. And this is like one of the slowest approaches I think I've ever seen at this point in time. And they've almost stalled right where they are, but they're kind of in between two docks. So Cap's got to try and get this one turned. Even the boat behind him is kind of like, what are you doing, bro? We can see them just sitting here. They'd probably love to grab one of these two docks, but our guy's squared up right in the middle of both of them. So Cap here on the right is going to start backing up to hopefully make an approach on one of these two once our guy decides what he's doing. And it looks like he came in thinking the wind and current was going to maybe push him onto one of the docks. And man, it's not done anything. It's like they've gotten there and they are just sitting there. So Cap's going to have to give her a little throttle. Maybe they're not quite ready. And the other vessel's just waiting out here patiently as we watch these guys kind of just sit here. So Cap's giving a little throttle of some sort now as it starts to turn. And our guy in the sea hunt, I think, is becoming a little more impatient. Like, yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can find somewhere else to do this. So we've got somebody on the stern now, so at least they look like they're ready to try and make an approach. But man, so, I mean, this feels slow to me and long. It's been a few minutes of them just sitting here now. So Cap's opted to go to the other dock. Initially, I thought he was going to the port side. Now it looks like we're going to switch over to the starboard side and attempt to go there. Little throttle action. He's finally getting closer to a dock. And our sea hunt, just so you guys know that was waiting, he's already on another dock over there. Like, they've already safely made it on. As our crew comes in on approach. And there we go. After several minutes, we'll get the walk off. And our crew should finally be good to roll. And speaking of good to roll, we're going to roll out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.